Right, so we're going to show you how to replace a mirror cap, whether you break one or you want to change it for a fancy looking one. It should be very similar to most cures. This is the BMW M140i. All the 1 Series mirrors should be the same sort of clips. So I'll explain it quickly. Don't want that blown away, it's very windy today, so hopefully you can hear me. So you have roughly 1, 2, 3 clips here and another 2 clips up there. Most people will say to remove the mirror and you take the glass out, but you actually don't if you're very, very careful, and you'll need a trim tool. You can get these off Amazon. I can't remember what they cost, they were cheap. A whole pack's like a tenner, all different sizes. So what you want to do is start on the outside edge. You just need to sort of prise it open very gently. Do you get your wee trim tool underneath? Like that. And just have a bit of patience with this because you don't want to break anything. And just slowly work it in. There's one, and you hear the click. So you just want to ever so gently go around it. So we don't, obviously on these it doesn't overly matter if I break a clip because they're being replaced, but it's always nice to keep your stuff.
A few moments later.
So, there we go, we've got her loose. So we should be able to slowly jig it off. There. So there you go. All the clips are intact. So you have 2 wee ones and 3 big ones. So I'll hold it up. So yeah, 1, 2 wee tiny clips. You have a big clip and then another 2 big clips at the top. The bonnet needs spread, so don't worry about that. It's a fresh bonnet. And then this is the M version clip mirror. And it just has the same clips, 1, 2 wee ones, 3 big ones. So just line your top ones up, and then the bottom ones will hopefully clip in with ease. Just like that. Job's a good one. And there we have a new mirror cap that makes it a lot sportier compared to the old basic looking one. Any questions, just give me a shout. I'll try and do a few how-tos on bits and pieces as I'm working on the cure. So if there's anything you do want to see, by all means let me know. I hope the lighting's not too bad. I stuck an ND filter on this because I'm outside and it's very sunny. I'm trying to learn.